Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, the next topic is create a funnel from template. Okay, here we're going to use filter criteria for template selection, select template for each page, customize the funnel and the setup funnel. We're going to look at the email list, SEO and the integration part. Okay, of course some of these things I've already covered in my previous videos, but I need to repeat that by using a different method. Okay, so let's go on to how we are going to. So if when we are in ClickFunnels, we are going to use build funnel. So when we click on build funnel, it gives us two options. Either use a cookbook builder process or a classic funnel builder. This is what we used last time when we said, okay, email one, collect emails. Okay. Now let's look at the start cookbook process. Here you're going to look at. So this is a Funnel Hackers cookbook option. You do get a cookbook here, the initial one. So what you do is you first select what type of industry are you looking at. Okay. Then type of funnel which you want. You want to generate leads, sell a product, create an event or other. Okay. So let's say we look at generate leads. Now here we get the various options. We want to ask campaign, reverse squeeze page funnel. Squeeze page funnel is what we did. Lead magnet is where you offer some ethical bribe in exchange of the email address. So here you will see the explanation for each type of funnel, right? Home page funnel, survey funnel, bridge funnel. Okay. I have used quiz funnel earlier in the squeeze page type. Okay. So let's take an example of, say, this one, squeeze page funnel. Okay. So when you click on this, you get a brief video about what the squeeze page funnel is all about, which is Russell explaining that, and then a brief text on what this funnel, which is the lead type, 2 pages, approximately 20 minutes to create. It has 2 pages, squeeze page and a thank you page. Okay. And then it gives you all the templates. Okay. What type of templates are you looking at? So for example, if you're looking at only the free ones, so there are 2 types, paid and free, right? So if you look at a free type of funnel, right? So let's say if you look at this, so how will it look like? Something like this. And then there will be a thank you page. Okay. So you can create, you can just import. So when you say get this funnel, it will. So when I click on this, what happens? It is basically importing this Luminous Squeeze page funnel into my ClickFunnels account. Okay. Then I can edit that. I can customize it. I can see. So it's like a pre-made funnels for you, and that's the best part of ClickFunnels. Anybody can make funnels for you, and you can just import them, customize them, and use them. And that is how I am sharing my funnels with you. Okay. And then I'm going to share you the online done for you funnel. This is how I'm going to share that. So let's look at how does this look like. So first, let's look at how it is going to be. So this is how it is going to be look like. So if you like it, you can use it. Of course, you can change the text here, right? This is not yet configured. This is just the plain funnel page. Okay. Now let's look at the thank you page. So once you get the template, you need to set it up for yourself. Okay? And we'll show you that how to do that. Right? So if I want to see how this page looks like, this is how it is going to be. So comes on the way. What is next? Here you can put your text, right? So this is another one of the examples of the funnel. Okay. If I go back to the build funnel, this is where we were earlier. Let's go back to look at other templates. So the first is to select what particular template are you looking for based on your criteria. Right? Let's say if you want to have a look at this one, right? This is also again a free one. can use. So this is how the squeeze page where you're capturing the email, right? It has a different, and then there is a video on the welcome thank you page. Okay. What's next? Let's go. Okay. Now let's look at some other type. Let's say instead of squeeze page, you are looking at maybe something else. So let's look at some other type of funnel. Maybe you are looking at, instead of generate leads, you are looking at selling a product. Okay. So this could be video sales letter funnel, 2 tripwire, 2-step, daily deal funnel, invisible funnel, storefront funnel, product launch funnel. There could be multiple type of funnels here. Okay. So let's say we can do something like video sales letter funnel. Okay. So this is for four pages, so which has got a video sales letter plus order form, then one OTO form, then downsell, then the offer wall. Okay, and here there are various examples. So let's say let's take this one as an example and see how does it look like. So this is something like the first page going to be, right? It has various options, and then it has the order form. Okay? Then you can say add to cart. Then you have, after the order form, then you have an OTO page about adding some more, which is another offer. Okay, and you can add this to, and what there is some social proof here. And then there is an offer wall, so it says order completed, and this is what you have selected, and here are other options which are also available, right? So this is the kind of funnel. So if you want to have a look at how does it look like, so I say get funnel. I'm just trying to show you various type of templates which you can look at, and then we will pick up one of them and see how we can customize it. Okay. So it takes some time to download into your own ClickFunnels account, and this you can have once you have your own 14-day trial on ClickFunnels, or if you want to buy the ClickFunnels subscription, right, which has various options here. So let's look at how does it going to look like here. I have already shown you earlier how to customize the listing, like I showed you in the. This is how this is going to look like. There's going to be some video here, right? And this is how it will come, and then you say add to cart. Okay. And then you say add to cart. You can get the. You can fill all this information, put your credit card information. This is all linked to the payment, solutions also, which you will need to configure in your ClickFunnels once. And once this is done, you are ready. So see how easy it is to create something like this. Then once you are done, right, and then it will take you to the next page. Okay. So here is the OTO page, which is another offer. So remember, in your value letters, you are starting from first product. You can actually go and pitch in the next products to your customers once you have selected the first one, or you can upsell or downsell. So how about you adding some more? There's some video here, right? And then say add this to my order. Of course you can add and what people are saying about this. So there's some social proof here. Okay, and you can create something like this, and then when you go to another one, this is the downsell, I think. So in case person doesn't choose that, we have further offer to make, maybe reduced price or discounting given to the person. Okay, so here, if you want to see how does it look like, see here. So this is maybe the same offer with some reduction and then some social proof, right? And when you say add this to my order, right, it asks you for entering your, and then you say add to cart, right? because we didn't mention the details earlier, so that was not there. Okay. And then there is the last page, which is the offer wall, where it says about the order is complete. Okay. And all these types of pages are already available. Okay. So when I click on this, it shows me how does it look like. So here you can see how the complete order funnel. Here, thank you. Below is the summary of the page, right? And then you can give them the options to either pay through credit card or through PayPal, whatever option you want to choose. Okay, but if you see here, this is how. So similarly, let's go back to let me go straight to the. So here we had one of the one. So let's look at some other type of funnel. Maybe I want to choose something else. So this is just to give you an idea about various flavors of funnels which are there. So let's say you have a storefront. You are selling some products. This could be something maybe more like a physical product. Okay, let's see how does it look like. So maybe something. Let's look at this. See here. So there are some online videos here. There's some printing products here. Right. This is like a storefront. Just one page. Look at this. Look at the various type of designs. It gives you an idea when you're creating your own funnel, how do you want it to be done. Right? This is again talking about some digital products and some printed products, single page, storefront funnel. Okay. Let's look at some other. Right. Let's look at something like a webinar funnel. So in the webinar funnel, you have 4 pages. One is registration page, webinar confirmation, indoctrination, and then replay page. Okay. Let's take some example of a webinar. Let's take this luminous one. Right. So what it does it? Okay. I think here they have not given the details. You have various pages here. So let's get this funnel and see how does it look. So it is going to import this funnel into your ClickFunnels account. So you get an idea that you have various templates to choose from. You don't need to create everything from scratch. You just get an idea which one suits, which one do this as per your liking. Go to them, review them, see which one you like, and then you can just customize them and use it. Okay. So here, so there is a webinar registration page, confirmation, indoctrination. There are some, and of course the replay area. So let's look at this. How does this look like? See here. Something similar what we have seen earlier, but this is a different type now. So when you say register for free, of course all these text and all you can change. So welcome, you have been registered to the webinar. Right? What's next? What are the timings? You can select which particular timing you want to choose. right? You can add them to your calendar. You say click to sign up. Of course, right now it is not set up, it is just a blank setup page. So once you say webinar confirmation, here you can see the next page. So here, this is what we saw. Now let's look at the next one, which is the indoctrination page. So first idea is to select the template and see which one you want to do. Anyway, I would be sharing my own sales funnel. So if you see here, this is how it will be looking at. Right, how to make, this is in the reconfirmation. There's a video behind the whole thing. Right. So of course this video is currently not available, it's just a page. You need to link it with the video which you want to show. Similarly, there is a page for, I think it will be similar to the one which we saw, just like maybe with a different video. Then you say webinar replay room. So you can actually create a whole webinar funnel through this. Yeah. So if you see, you can see how does it look like. I hope you guys are getting some idea about how to select the template, right? And it also talks about this page will end in so much. Right? So there's a replay thing, but it has a timer attached to it, right? And you can set all this in ClickFunnels easily. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. So you got some idea now on the selection of the funnel, right? Let's go back. And do a simple exercise, because otherwise this video will become too long. Let me see if I can pick up a okay. So of course here there are paid funnels also which are there. If you want, you can select them. Let's go back to one of this ones, and I will push. So if we go for a, say I am picking up something on e-commerce. Okay. Let's do a squeeze page type of funnel. So let's pick this one, Concord. I'm just picking the simple one so that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, so let's say if I say get this funnel. So what am I doing is I'm importing that into my system. Right? And once it is imported, I'm going to set it up. So let's look at the steps which are required for setting it up. First thing, let's look at what this funnel look like. This is how it is going to look like. So I want to have my own logo here, right? And put some text which I want to have my own. Okay, so and then also I need a list. Where am I going to capture these email IDs? Okay, so first things, we're going to go into action analytics. We're going to create an email list. Yes. So I'm going to call it as Conquer. So I'm going to add a new list here. And say Conquer. Just create a new list. Don't worry about the group tag and smart list right now. So once this list is created, I'm going to use this list. Let's look at so first thing I need to do is go to the automation, and here I have to say add new action. Then I say add to list. I can give any name I want. Here I'm going to keep it so that it is relevant. Right? And I'm going to select this one here. Okay? That's all. So basically what I'm doing is I'm telling the system that whenever whatever comes through the squeeze page, when they enter their email ID, I want them to be in this list. Okay? So this is one step of it. Second step I'm going to do is go inside this. So right now I'm setting up this template which I have picked up. Okay? So here is your email address here. If I click on this, enter your email, I say okay, instead of this I want enter your best email, sorry, here enter your best email address. Okay. Sorry, okay, right, and instead of coming here on the left hand side, I want it on the right hand side. So I go here and say email icon, right? And instead of that, maybe email icon is fine. Instead of black, I want it white, and instead of left, I want it on the right hand side. It's like white is not very visible here, maybe because of it's a gray. So now the white is available, and it can style. That's the color. Seems better. Okay. And instead of this here, I want to use my own logo. So in your case, it will be your own logo. So let's say I want to use something like here is my logo. I think it's on the second page. Here it is. So I'm using Massimo. I click on this. I say add image. So here it is. But I want the image. Let's say it is px. It's very big. So instead of that, I'll say 200. Say 300. Better. Okay, fine. And here, instead of, so you know what has happened here? Here your text has gone below. So I need to make the change in the color. So instead of this, I want something like, sorry, let's say text color. So either I can keep it very dark, or I can keep it white. Looks like it's not allowing change. Oh, it was a bold color. So see here, and maybe conquer the world. If I want, I can change it to. This. And maybe I want to have, so top margin, if I want, I can make it better. Okay. Right, so something like this, I can go and keep changing it. So what I've done is I've changed the logo, I've changed some colors, next email address, right? I have defined here what it is, it's an email address. Then here in the settings, I will go and check the integration, and I'll say use my integration, right? and then I'm going to select add to list. I'm going to select the list. Remember we had created a list for, so looks like that list hasn't come yet here, so let me just refresh. So if I click on this list, oh, here it is. Okay, so now it is all set. So now what it has done is it has told the system that as soon as you capture the email ID here, it goes to that list. So there are two steps we did. One is here and one is on the list side. Okay, on the automation piece. So now this is done. I'm going to save it and I'm going to preview it. See here? Of course, you can go and change this text structure. I'm not going to do right now, but you can do it also. Okay. Now, another thing which you need to do is when you say let's go, what happens? What is the action it is set up? So right now it is set up as submit the order form. So basically it is just capturing the email ID and submitting it on the order form. Okay. And when you go to general settings here, right, on submit, go to the next page. And then we are through. Okay. So we are ready for this particular thing now. It is all set up. Right. Now let's look at the thank you page. On the thank you page, I want to change this again. So same thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the logo. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to use the logo here. Right. Choose the logo, add image. Change the size, maybe 300, right? Or let's keep it maybe 200. And I don't need to change the colors. Okay, I'm going to select the video. So there are multiple options here. Maybe I'm going to use the YouTube video, and then I'm going to select maybe a video which I want to give my link here. Okay? And let's say if I want to do it, let me go and check my YouTube videos here. I want to pick up the link from one of the videos. So let's say I'm going to share this particular video and pick up share link from here and copy this. Okay. Also, let me press something else. So I'm going to use this share, copy this into my clipboard, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to copy this here. So I have the link here. Yeah. If I want this video to be small, then I'm going to select the advanced. So full width I want 3/4 width. This is better, right? And in case I want to change some text here, right? So if I'm going to save this, and say let's go look at what is the action item here since submit the order. Let's check if there is any pop-up here. There's no pop-up here. Right? So this is just to give you an idea how you can create your own. You can just go and change whatever text if you want. You can just select the text. Maybe copy it from somewhere. Please read this. Just for your idea. Whatever you want, you can do that. It's very easy. You want to change this photograph, click on this, go to images, maybe use this, something like this. And just to give you an example. So see here. So you can go and change whatever you want. Right? So once this is done, you're ready. Save. Just remember that after saving, it says after 1 minute the updates will appear. exit. So now my funnel is all set up. Right, I'm going to move the squeeze page and I'm going to run this, right? So that one is I can go visit the funnel URL. This is how it will look like after the changes which were done, right? See here, and then if you want submitting, is going to bring back to the next to the okay. So all the changes which we have done are already coming. Okay. So see how it is easy it is. So first thing what you remember is you did some automation here. You created a list, you added that list here, right? And then you mentioned in the squeeze page, you mentioned about the, if you go back, you see here, settings in the integration, what we did was we selected Actionetics integration, add to list and the list. Okay, these are the things that you do. So that means very easy to do. Okay. Similarly, all the integrations are very easy. Once you go through all the videos, you will get an idea. Okay. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it.